हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज मैं आपको क्लास 7 का लेसन नंबर सेकंड प्लांट स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन इसका एक्सरसाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रही हूँ। इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ 3 प्लांट दैट हैव। पहला ए स्पाइनिस फूड, जैकफ्रूट धतूरा कस्टर स्पाइनिस ट्रीम। बी कैस्टर लेमन रोज, कस्टर्ड लेमन रोज है। सी रेड फ्लावर हिबिस्कस रोज गुलमोहर। डी येलो फ्लावर सनफ्लावर मैरीगोल्ड येलो कैना। ई लीव्स विथ क्लोज एट नाइट मिनमोज गुलमोहर रेन ट्री। सिंगल सीड फ्रूट्स एफ मैंगो जामुन ज्यूस। G many seed fruits papaya jackfruit watermelon. Second, observe any one flower and its various part and describe it in our own. Answer, the various part observed in a rose flower as follow. पहला peticle. The peticle of rose that is tall is green in color, calyx. Second, the leaf like green color corolla. The red color petals in rose are called corolla. And fourth, androecium. This is the male reproductive part of the rose flower. This is made up of stamen. Each stamen consists of anther and filament. Gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of rose flower. This is made up of carpels. Question number 3. What are the similarity and difference between question number A, jawar and moong? Jawar and moong. Similarity, both jawar and moong are flowering plant, both are food stop. Difference, jawar is a monocotyled plant whereas moong is a dicotyled plant. Jawar has fibrous root whereas moong has taproot. B. Onion and coriander. Similarity, both onion and coriander are flowering plant, both are consumed in the form of salad. Difference, it is a onion is a monocotyl plant whereas coriander is a dicotyl plant. Onion has fibrous root whereas coriander has leaves of banana and mangoes. Similarly, both banana and mango leaves process spoil and midrib. Both have resonance important. Difference, banana is a monoclonal plant whereas mango is a dichromatic plant. Banana leaf has parallel vegetation whereas mangoes. D. Coconut tree and jawar plant. Similarities, both coconut and jawar are monocotyled plant. Both have fibrous root. Difference, coconut is a tree whereas jawar is a shrub. Coconut plant is a perennial whereas jawar plant. Fourth, explain the following image in your own word. A diagram and B diagram. First, figure A is a margin seed. There is a single quotient, hence margin seed cannot divide into two equal parts. Figure B is of bean seed. There are two quadrants, hence B seed have divided into two equal parts. Fifth, describe the function of various part of plant. The various part of plant are root, stem, leaves, fruit and flower. Function of root, absorption of water and mineral, nurturing and supporting the plant. B. Function of stem. Stem carry water and mineral from root to the other plant of plant. It also carry food prepared by leaves to other plant of plant. C. Function of leaves, preparation of food by the process of photosynthesis, drying of excess of water, transpiration. D. Function of flower. Flower is a reproductive part of plant. It produces fruits and seed. E. Function of fruit, protection of seed, store of food material. Question number 6. Certain properties are mentioned below. Find a leaf according to each property and describe those plant. Leaves with smooth surface, banana leaf. C. Leaves with rough surface, fig leaf. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, फाइंड द प्लांट पार्ट। बॉक्स में से प्लांट्स रूट्स जो भी है वो लिखना है, जैसे रूट, स्ट्रीम, रेडिकल्स, फ्लावर, बर्ड, पेटल, रूट, हेयर, कैलिक्स, विंग। देखो तो रूट हो गया, स्टीम, रेडिकल्स, फ्लावर्स, बर्ड, पेटल्स, कैलिक्स, वेन। Thank you for watching video.